pakiusap sa mga ginagawa natin. So, I think that we are on the right track. With your support, with your continuing help, siguro makikita natin na mas magkakaroon ng movement dyan sa mga survey na yan. Ang importante, ang mga survey, kung minsan, hindi ko na masyadong tinitingnan kung ano yung number. Ang tinitingnan natin kung saan ang momentum, kung pababa, papaakyat, ano ba. And so far, maganda naman ang masasabi natin sa momentum. Kaya the support is, the grassroots support is there. I think we will continue to campaign with them. But siguro, kailangan natin, ang importanteng na magawa natin is i-organize yung support na yan. You are all seasoned politicians dito. Alam naman ninyo, it's not enough na masabi na we are with you, na kailangan gawing boto yan. And so that is why nandun na tayo. The campaign period begins in February 9. At kami sa National, mag-start na kami. But then, after that, it is only 90 days. So talagang kahit ang pakiramdam mahaba, hindi yung 90 days is hindi ganun kahaba na para ikutin ang buong Pilipinas. So we will continue to go around. We have identified, even not only in Nakran, but in the other provinces, nakapag-identify na rin tayo ng mga ating magiging kasama at tutulong. Again, I am happy to be able to report na yung kahit saan naman tayo pumunta, kahit paano, meron tayong nahahanap at nakikita na handang tumulong sa atin. So that is a very good development for the campaign. And so I'm hoping to maximize on that expressions of support na kailangan talaga na yung expression, yung sinasabing suporta ng tao, we have to now convert it into votes. And that really comes down to ang secret, hindi man sikreto, pero ang talagang kailangan gawin ay maorganisa ng mabuti para pagdating ng araw ng halalan, makaboto silang lahat at before that, pwede pang umikot, mag-usap, to continue to, para panamihin natin ang sumasama sa atin. So, with that good development, I think that we have reason to celebrate together with all of you dito sa ating Ati-Atihan Festival. So, thank you very much.